Coson actually was in touch with AstraZeneca to find a program on how they can procure vaccines directly from them. And AstraZeneca, the CEO, Lotis Ramin, mentioned to her that they have a zero profit program. That is when Tessie called me and asked me to help bring this project to more companies. And we started negotiations with Lotis Ramin. And in fact, the first batch of orders were basically the bigger companies, no, the conglomerates. And being that said, because at that time, AstraZeneca did not have any MRH approval, which means that is the equivalent of their FDA in UK. So for us to secure the doses, we had to put a down payment. And it was very clear that if something went wrong with the approval process, there is a possibility that we may lose part of that deposit. But it was very imperative that the private sector secures this doses because we feel that the vaccines are the ultimate solution to our economic problem. We spend so much in testing equipments. Antigen test costs about 500 pesos. The AstraZeneca vaccine under the zero profit is about $10, which is about 480 pesos. So it's even cheaper than antigen test kit. And the antigen tests, you have to do that regularly. So many of the bigger companies joined forces with us and purchased the initial dose of 2.6, and we put that deposit in and secured that allocation. But that was not enough. No, we felt that there was so many companies in the waiting list. So the second order, we placed it actually right after MHRA approval was given to AstraZeneca. That was before New Year, actually, sometime December 29. So that next batch had no risk anymore in that deposit. This was about 300 plus companies, 320 companies. And there were a mix already of companies here. Small, medium enterprises were part of this batch. And this was signed yesterday in our event with Secretary Charlie Galvez. But let me...
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.